Hello students, this is Shovik, your instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my last video we have solved a problem based on Python dictionary. Now in this video we are going to solve another problem based on string tuple. Okay, let's see then. The question is, print the rare element of a string tuple, which is what? Suppose this is example one tuple, and you have to print the rare elements like E, K, like that. Output should be like this. Okay, rare elements of each item from a string tuple. Okay, just pause the video and try. After that I'll show you the code. Okay. Okay, I think you're already solved the problem. Now let me show you. Let's take this tuple and change the name tuple hero. Okay, now let's print this out, the actual tuple. We are going to solve this using for loop, and for that we need a empty list to store the rare elements from the tuple. So let's take sub in tuple hero, and we're going to take one variable, and then using the length function we'll take the length of each element of that tuple, and to go to the last element of each item we have to just do it like this, and then what was that? Yeah, res append. Yeah, we need to append the that's it. Work should be done by this. I think it will work perfectly. Let's print now the rare elements of the tuple res. Run the program. Let's see. Okay, you can see we got our intended output here, the original tuple and the rare elements. Yeah, it worked. So students, this is how we can take the rare element from a tuple using for loop. There are some other ways. If you can do that, you can use those other ways. Just let me know in the comment section. You can comment it. If you have any problem, just comment it. I'll give you the solution. Okay, then yeah, okay, that's it. Bye bye, take care.